Taught across 9 modules by a PRINCE2 Agile expert, this course will familiarise you with the key principles of PRINCE2 Agile and how they work within a business. This course will also cover the themes and processes in an Agile setting. You'll also learn how Scrum, Kanban and Lean work within the PRINCE2 Agile framework. Once you begin training, you'll have access to over 25 hours of course material, and this course is fully accredited. Our courses are not only mobile and tablet responsive, but they can also work offline via a mobile app, which means you can study on the go wherever you are. An instructor will guide you through the course and provide expert narration, and animated videos help to break down key topics. Learning tips are included to help you to remember key points that will appear on exams, and we also provide downloadable exercises throughout the course. Practice exams are available for when you finish the course, and this course also includes a free exam voucher. You'll also get complimentary access to our learning environment, where you'll find statistics and reports to track your progress along the way. And don't worry, we'll be on hand with expert support for when you need help, so contact us anytime. Want to find out more? Try a free trial or speak to a member of the team today.